inside your inside have the pure energy ไม่น้อยกว่า 1% you have pure energy in your side not less 1% but for me 100 and more for me ลุงงอก pure energy alright so I can help you very easy for changing between you have a impure energy more and for me I have pure energy more but then exchange like this but you only breathing in and hold about half second
half minute
half minute okay and then breathe out again you have to do 3 times per day in the morning and กลางวัน and then before sleeping you have to try alright